know it's summer and it's very hot, but we are still getting called to weddings, and weddings means Kanjivaram sarees for lots of us. Hello Avishya fans and sari lovers. I'm happy to show you the latest collection of Zari Check Kanjivaram sarees which we've sourced exclusively in Avishya. These are very classic designs, and the Zari Checks is a very old design in the Kanjivaram. We are back with a bang really. Lots of people are looking for Zari Check Kanjivaram, so let me straight away start showing you the products. It's a beautiful cream with a bold, almost a red border. If you come close, you can actually see there are two shades of cream. There's like a cream and then there's a beige, and the horizontal lines actually go across on the color. And then there are vertical zari lines. In addition to that, there's some beautiful buttas. So there's lines of zari and the buttas are woven together along with the zari. This sari has got a morning evening border. The borders have beautiful peacock motifs. There's a row of peacocks here, and then it's like a Bhavanji formation. Beautiful floral motifs. It's almost like a kodimala. It's a beautiful pallu. Got diamonds, and within the diamonds there are smaller diamonds. These look like the mailkan, which is a diamond and a dot together. On both sides there's a band of peacock motifs on the pallu on either side. Now let's see the blouse. This is a stunning blouse. The blouse is a striped blouse. So really, if you look at the sari, this is how it looks. This is a beautiful color. It's a rose. It's a dusky rose color. Here again, if you look at it, the checks are looking different. In the previous sari, the sari has a beige and a cream, whereas this is just the pink. So you can see the zari checks running across very beautifully. Lovely buttas across again. And then this is also a morning evening border. Now this is almost a peacock or a bird. Between that you can see intricate weaves. There's a wonky or this chevron kind of pattern. Then there's this salangai pattern. Pallu's got this arch kind of floral formation across. And then look at the blouse. The blouse is again a striped blouse. So really, this is how the sari will look when it's worn. It's a beautiful pastel again. It's almost a sky blue, but here again, if you look closely, there are two shades of blue. This is a sky blue and a powder blue alternating, and then there are zari checks, bold buttas. This is not a morning evening border. It's a big border on both sides. And the zari has got almost antique finish. Look at the detailing on the border. It's got a row of flowers. In between, there's a chevron panel. Then, of course, the rudrakshams are coming in. There's a small pattern of diamonds. There's quilkan in between. Sensational. The amount of work which has happened on this border. Now, let's look at the pallu. The pallu's again got diamonds with smaller diamonds in between. So, these look like the quilkan. And then on both sides, it's flanked by diamond, one row of kodimala, rudraksham, and then a chevron again. The blouse is the same violet. Wow. And it comes in two colors like the blue, and it's got zari stripes. If you like these sarees and want to check out the entire collection, please visit our store in Chennai. We are located at 281 TTK Road, Alvarpet. We're open all 7 days of the week, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. If you're not living in Chennai and you're living anywhere in India or around the world, please visit our website avishya.com. Search for Zari Checks Kanjivaram, and this collection will be available online. I'm only showing you a few sarees I like. You can see the entire collection on the website. These are silk sarees. If you want to see a daylight view or want to see our video, our customer service team will be happy to share those with you and help you. If you don't want to visit the website and want to buy on WhatsApp itself, our WhatsApp number is 73057 77291. Take a screenshot of any saree you like and send it on WhatsApp, and our customer service team will help you buy. It's a beautiful olive green with a nice black border. The olive green has got zari checks, and see the horizontal checks antique finish. The lines have an antique finish zari, while the vertical stripes actually have a bright gold finish zari. The buttas are the same color as the vertical stripe. The top is just got diamonds at the top of the border and a thin row of flowers. The bottom has the same diamonds again. It's a bold band, and below that, wow, look at this. Such pretty paisleys with so much work around them. So it's a very stunning, sensational sari, and the color is sort of, you can wear it for a party, for an evening occasion, or even if you're going to a work conference. Sometimes we have customers who are doctors, who are professors, who are wearing it for a work event. This sari will be beautiful for a work event. And look at the pallu. The pallu is again on black. It's got this beautiful traditional bindi kind of motif. It's very pretty. We'll see it with the blouse. It's got a sensational black blouse. It's a pastel on pastel. It's a bright green body. It's almost like in Tamil we call this color kilipacha, which is a parrot green. So these sarees, because they have two shades of color, there's a lot of depth in the design because of these two shades of green. It's got a parrot green and a leaf green combination, and the checks are in silver zari. So is the border. The sari comes with a sensational cream color border. This is like a shell pink, and look at the intricate motifs in the shell pink. This is a morning evening border. border, so the bottom border is bigger, and that's just got two bands of the same thing. So it's a very delicate, very contemporary, stylish design. The pallu is again the same shelving. It's just got a panel of flowers, and look at how these flowers are woven. They're so beautiful. There's a smaller flower and then the larger flower, and they just sort of tuck into each other. The same band on the border comes on both sides. The blouse is again two-tone, and it's a cream and shell pink combination. So if you look at the sari, really this is how it looks. It's a very, very contemporary, stylish sari. If you're looking for a color tone which is young, which is very youthful, this is a perfect choice. And Kanjivaram has such a wide range of colors, it is very difficult to be exact when you're describing a color. I'm just looking at the color. Look at this saree. Such a traditional color combination. This sort of mild blue with the arakku, grand pallu, small flowers across, and then two bands of larger flowers and arches on both sides. The blouse is actually, it looks like arakka, but the blouse is almost a wine red. Sensational saree, very, very traditional. This is a beautiful violet. The body is again got checks and buttas. This is again got a morning evening border. The top border is got these patterns which are round, which are sort of filling all over the border. The bottom border is actually a rettapettu border. So it's got one band on top, this nice beautiful tea green in the center, and the band below. Again, the band is very similar to the top band. So sort of, band between the two sarees gives visual relief. So if you look at the pallu is wow, a full floral pallu, and it's got this nice samandi poo, agenda, as you call it in Hindi, those flowers across. And then on the top and bottom is a row of peacocks. The blouse is the same color as the pallu. So this saree again is how it looks. I hope you like these sarees. I've shown you some sarees in our latest Zari Check collection. If you want to see the entire collection, please visit our store in Chennai or our website avishya.com. If you like this video, please support us. Avishya is really about handcrafted artisanal clothing. So we're not just showing you sarees, we're talking about our shirts, kurtas. We're supporting a lot of weavers and artisans across India. If you like these videos, it will be of great help if you click on the like button, follow us, and click on the bell button also, because you won't miss any new arrivals from Avishya. Also, please share our videos with your friends or people who appreciate fine Indian clothing. We'll be really grateful. Thank you for watching. See you again next week.